Becoming a Bolt driver in South Africa. Requirements and steps. Bolt, formerly known as Taxify, is a popular ride-hailing platform that provides opportunities for individuals to become independent drivers and earn income on their own terms. If you're considering becoming a Bolt driver in South Africa, this article will guide you through the requirements and steps involved in starting your journey as a Bolt driver partner. Valid driver's license. To become a Bolt driver in South Africa, you must possess a valid driver's license issued by the South African authorities. This ensures that you are legally allowed to operate a motor vehicle on the roads. Professional driving permit, PRDP. In addition to a regular driver's license, you will need to obtain a professional driving permit, PRDP, to drive passengers for a fee. This permit is necessary for providing public transportation services and can be obtained from your local licensing department. Vehicle requirements. You must have access to a roadworthy and reliable vehicle that meets Bolt's requirements. The vehicle should be in good condition, clean, and well maintained. It is essential to ensure that your vehicle complies with the specific requirements set by Bolt, such as model year, vehicle type, and condition. Vehicle insurance. As a Bolt driver, you are required to have comprehensive vehicle insurance that covers both you and your passengers. It is advisable to contact your insurance provider to ensure that you have the appropriate coverage for ride-hailing services. Vehicle registration. Your vehicle should be registered in your name or the name of a registered business entity. It should have valid and up-to-date vehicle registration papers. Background check. Bolt conducts background checks on all potential driver partners. This check is done to ensure the safety and security of passengers. It may involve verifying your criminal record, driving history, and other relevant background information. Steps to become a Bolt driver. Vehicle preparation. Before applying to become a Bolt driver, ensure that your vehicle meets the specified requirements. It should be clean, well maintained, and comply with Bolt's vehicle standards. Address any necessary repairs or maintenance before proceeding. Download the Bolt driver app. Visit the Bolt website or your smartphone's app store to download the Bolt driver app. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Register as a Bolt driver. Open the Bolt driver app and follow the registration process. You will be required to provide personal information, driver's license details, vehicle information, insurance details, and other necessary documentation. Vehicle inspection. Bolt may require a physical inspection of your vehicle to ensure it meets their safety and quality standards. This inspection may include a check of the vehicle's mechanical condition, cleanliness, and overall suitability for ride-hailing purposes. Complete background checks. Bolt will conduct background checks on you, including verifying your driving record and criminal background. This process ensures the safety and security of passengers. Attend training. Once your application is approved, Bolt may require you to attend training sessions or complete online training modules to familiarize yourself with the Bolt platform, policies, and best practices for providing excellent customer service. Activate your account. After successfully completing the necessary steps and meeting all requirements, your Bolt driver account will be activated. You can then start accepting ride requests and providing transportation services to passengers. Becoming a Bolt driver in South Africa offers an opportunity for individuals to earn income as independent drivers. By meeting the requirements, such as possessing a valid driver's license, obtaining a professional driving permit, and ensuring your vehicle complies with Bolt standards, you can embark on your journey as a Bolt driver partner. Remember to maintain a high level of professionalism, provide excellent customer service, and prioritize the safety and comfort of your passengers.